Yeah, Randy Richard in the shop. Got my new double boost shirt. Came today. So if you don't have one, support John. He's trying to get to America for next year's summer bash. So if you don't watch John Mills, I have a link on here to John, and you ought to watch his channel and support him. Buy a shirt. So he can come on over. He'd be fun to have here. No one can understand him, and he'll blend right in. So yeah, so be sure to watch John there. He's a great guy, and his wife Deb, she's doing really good after her cancer, and she's back working even. So that's just great for those guys. This video is not real long, but I've got a few things I had shot previously and never got into a video, but I also received some mail. So I purchased a kit from a fellow over in England, a radius ball turner kit that Stefan had mentioned in his video. I checked into that, and I don't have one. And I go, I could do that. I could make that kit up. Kind of fun. So I bought one of those, and they sent that over here to me, and a little something extra in there. So I'll show you the kit, and we'll hopefully be getting to that project soon. And I got some other viewer mail, and what else? A little bit of X-Carves. I'd used the X-Carve for a quick little project. I had to make a new knob for the wife's ironing center because I had to put a new timer in. And we did a motorcycle, I guess that's the rear swing arm repair on the chain tensioner setup. So yeah, those are going to be in there. And that's about it right now. I've got a lot of other stuff going other than the work thing, but I do have other projects I'm working on, and we'll have some more videos up for sure on all that stuff. And I've been working on a surface grinder, shooting some video on that, and we're going to do a little repair on one of the screws. We're going to make a new screw for that. So anyway, thanks you guys for watching, and please enjoy. From over in the UK, Kirk Burwell of Hemingway Kits makes a radius turner for the lathe as a kit. Stefan showed a picture of this on Facebook and mentioned it, and so I checked into it, and so I decided to buy one. So I'm just going to open the box here. I just cut it open, but and it comes with all the instruction it looks like. Oh, there we go. I'll put the link, of course, on the video somewhere. So it takes a few parts, but has a dovetail, looks like. Anyway, it looked really cool, really nice. I thought I don't have any kind of radius turner at all, so I thought a kit would be pretty fun to do. See what other picture. Here's a good picture. Very nicely done. Very nice CAD drawings. Oh, that was folded in half actually. There we go. Very nice detail. And some actual bearings in it, and a dovetail for adjustment. See, nice. I like that right there. 60-degree dovetail. I can do that. It's more nice. Very nice drawings. Very nice. Very well detailed. Very laid out.
Oh, this is a different kit here. This is a compact rotary broach kit, I guess. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know why that's in there, but this is the rotary broach drawing. Okay. Well, we'll see what's in there. Some nice bearings, little bearings. Bushings, screws, little ball handle. HK 2570. Okay, so there's a clue here. HK 2570. Let's see. HK kit number HK 20. Oh, he might have sent me 2 kits. He said he was going to throw in something extra. HK 2570 is the rotary broach kit. Well, I'm going to have to send him something for that. So thank you, Kirk. So this is a rotary broach kit. Well, shoot. The 2570 goes with that. Okay, this is so the radius turning is HK 1160 kit. 2570. Red ones I assume will be the other one. Okay, well I guess I'll have to keep this, even though that says 2570. Well, these ones aren't marked. I'm going to assume they're the 1160. So we got just a chunk of cold roll. That looks like another chunk of cold roll, square stock. Some more cold roll. And it looks like about 3/4 half inch in a rectangular stock, half inch by quarter or so. Some round stock. I don't know if there are any alloys or not there. Hard to tell. These ones might be something different. This one looks like just like 1018 or so. Those might be something different also. We'll have to check the specs on that. A little piece of brass. Another piece of cold roll. And these bushing screws and little rod there. And a little ball for the handle in there. So that's the kit for the radius turner. I think I'll keep that in this box. And this is for the compact rotary broach. More piece of stock. Couple more pieces of stock. And the bearings and such. So, another fun project. So we got a couple projects then, I guess, to do. We'll hopefully get started on those very soon. Thank you, Kirk. Thank you for the extra kit. I'm going to have to send something your way, I guess, for the extra kit. Thanks. I did a little horse trading with another guy on YouTube, Greg Porter. He has a channel. It's Greg's Garage. I sent him a scribe, and he sent me a couple things he makes up. These are called Twisted Sharpies. Now he does this with he makes these with another guy helping him. I think, and what he does is he does the wrought iron type part. Now, these are not the same. Oops, hold them down here. Not the same. One's a left hand and one's a right hand. Twisted Sharpie. Very nicely done. And it's a Sharpie. Boom, boom. Stuffed in a wrought iron twisted handle. And then he has his logo here that he, I think he acid etches his logo right here into it. It's hard to probably make that out. But very nicely done, Greg. Very nice there. It's the big, oh, here's his card. The logo is this, and plus a couple stickers and his little card and the serial numbers. But this G is what's etched into the handle. Kind of hard to see it there. But they're not machinist blue, but but they're black, and that's fine. They're cool. It's got a little bit of weight to them, and those will work out really nice. So here's his sticker. So thanks a lot for doing that trade, Greg. And I'll put those to use over there on the machines. And I got a couple stickers. So thanks a lot. So I'll put those use over on the machines, and I have a couple stickers. Very nice. And they'll work out really great. So I got number 58 and 59. Sequential, left and right. Got a package the other day from Larry Bastion. I'm sorry, Larry. I'm terrible with names. But I've met Larry at the Bash, and I've met Larry up at Tom's, actually, at one of Tom's open houses. And I just sent Larry a dovetail cutter and a scribe, and he sent me a box. A heavy box. So he asked me if I could open it up on camera. So we're, I guess everybody's complaining about how to way to package things. Tom's coming up with ways to package things. Wow, he used fiber tape here, very nice. The box is in perfect shape, came UPS. Oh, he foamed it, great. I don't know if this is going to be that fun to open now. Let's see what he knows here, I guess. Oh, I think he said he's going to just send a copy of the email he sent me. So I won't read it here, but anyway, it's yeah, he thanked me for the scribe and the dovetail cutter and how much he likes them, and he sent me some of his mystery metal. We looked at it at Tom's open house. Well, that was a while ago. That was over a year ago. Oh boy, this stuff is not very fun to open. Okay, it's in there. It's not very nice to the receiver. There we go. What do we got here? We got 2 7/8 in diameter. And about 10 1/4 long. Piece of mystery metal. Does have rust on it. I'm going to have to come up with a project for that. And we'll see what we can make out of it. He says it does harden with some heat. But most, just about all steels will do that. So basically, we'll go from there. Thank you, Larry. Always welcome a piece of stock in the shop, no matter what it is. We'll find a use for it. So thanks again. So I decided I was going to pick it up here and I feel it's still kind of heavy in this corner. So there must be something else in here. There's another piece. I think I looked through it here. Thought it felt funny. Another chunk of mystery metal. That's 2 1/4 by 3 chunk. Good enough size for a project, that's for sure. Nice looking stuff. Almost look like a chrome moly type material. Yeah, as I remember, it is magnetic, so I don't think it's stainless. Thanks again, Larry. We'll figure something out.
Little modification work, rear swing arm, can't get the bolt out, the stud. So we're milling it down, we're going to make a coupler nut for now. Quite the rig, got to bolt it down to the table, chevied up with an angle plate. Steel. Really taking light cuts and milling it off. We're going to make it like a coupler nut. There's the chain tensioner, new nut.
That's what goes in there.
Nut, I don't know if it's a nut. I guess it's a nut.
Chain, whatever.
Came out good though. Gonna put a jam nut behind it. Cool. Well, that looks pretty good, you guys. That actually kind of worked, huh? Look at that. We're just going to do a little cleanup. A little bit of filing, a little cleanup. I think we'll have us a knob. Little file work here. Getting some good rain today. It's trying to snow out there. So I'm sure it's going to turn snow by this afternoon for sure. Quite the knob, huh? Something very similar.
Something very similar, see? Very similar. Yeah, maybe I'll even cut that out. We could do that. Actually, I can probably file it out of there, but... Well, better. I think we got a knob. Now what I'm going to do on this knob is I'm going to put a little hole in here on the side, put a little set screw to lock it on the shaft. This is where it's going, on there. Just like that. Actually, it doesn't even need anything. It fits really tight. There we go. The new timer. I can't get it off. Okay, we'll call that done. For the ironing center, I replaced the timer with a $15 one instead of the $50 one that keeps failing. I've replaced it a couple times. Hey, this one will work. Look at the sticker wall here. I added a few new ones. We've got Inspiration Metalworks. Tom there, Zlickman. He was at the bash, and I got a sticker from him. Harold Waters down in Amateur Red Knot Workshop. Practical Renaissance. Oh, I think I might have had that one before. Practical Renaissance. And Brad Jacobs over at Maple Lane Machine and Tool now. And then up above here, you probably can't see it, I have Basement Shop Guy. That's also Brad's. And then another one over here, Greg's Garage. And he does some interesting things, and you guys, he builds some stuff for his garage, redoing stuff, and he's the one who made the Twisted Scribes. Go check him out and order something up from him. And we got a few others there. Oh. Let's get up high here. There's a Basement Shop Guy, Precision Machine Shed, and Emma from down in Australia, Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop. Guys, check out Emma's channel. Emma, vote for Emma. I'm all behind Emma on the toolbox giveaway this year. My vote's going to go for Emma. Watch her video. She's very deserving of a box, and I sure hope you guys vote for her, and that's who I'm going to support this year, Emma. She deserves it. She does some good work down there in Australia. Maybe one day we'll see her do some of her watchmaking, but her engraving is excellent. Her hand engraving. So yeah, I think I missed somebody. Of course, I got Bruce is here. Gem Trek. Another one in Australia, down in Perth. Check out Bruce Whittam's channel, and Gary Cood, Tools for Machines down in Texas. Check those guys out.